So I tried to curl my hair for the one that my mother-in-law gifted to me, guys. So already. This Remington, guys, 4-in-1. So it's nice, guys. Just do like that, simple. And this curly. So it's nice, guys. Simple curl.